everybody. We are at Ikea. Our first summer excursion. It's gonna be a grand time. Abby's laughing at me because it's my first vlog.
I'm starving because I haven't had anything to eat. Just kidding. But I need some chicken tender.
I'm trying to do a time lapse, but she keeps shopping. I hope this is usable because the cart is so bumpy. Oh my gosh, move! There's pandas!
Yo, I'm about to get a chocolate cake. Medallion, look at this. God is good. I'm so done with you right now. I'm so done with these soda straws.
Here's lesson number 1 of this first time vlogging trip. Always keep the camera rolling because you never know what's gonna happen, and I have missed 5 jokes of Abby's. Probably more jokes of Abby's because the camera's not on.
To court a mockingbird. I wasn't risking too much.
How can I make that a joke? And Abby just comes over and goes, move faster, Bo. Like she's seen it all her life and knew it was going to be there.
I'm gonna try to sneak this into her purse.
Follow me. Give it, Bo.
Sit.
Look at that.
What? Oh, wait, what?
You think this is big enough after that?
You know the only 2 people who are gonna laugh at this is you and me. How much you wanna bet there's SpaghettiOs in this?
$100.
7, 8, 9, 30, 40, 50.
Well, thank you for joining us in Ikea. We hope you liked it. If you did like it, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Good night. Bye. Oh,